Here in the Italian countryside, we are dedicated to cultivating the world's most expensive mushroom.
The pH levels look promising here, consistent with the last batch.
Good. I'll input the mineral data. We need to check the moisture near the oak roots. Keep it steady, 5 meters exactly.
Confirmed, adjusting the depth now.
Keep it moving, we need to cover the next row before lunch. Watch the alignment here, it's drifting.
We have a temperature spike in sector 4.
Yeah, rerouting the irrigation sequence now. That should stabilize the microclimate.
Cerca, bravo, vai, vai. Sì, bravo. Molto bene. Bravo campione. Vediamo cosa c'è qui.
All right, team, listen up. We're targeting the lower valley today. Check your GPS and keep the dogs focused. Let's make this a productive harvest. Move out.
Magnifico, questo ha un profumo incredibile.
Sì, la stagione sta andando bene. Guarda questo.
We found one over here. Bringing the cart down now.
Looks like 22.5 kilograms. Big calves.
Got it logged, we can seal this one up now.
Are the manifests ready?
Yes, 30 crates confirmed for the morning run.
How is the intake volume looking this morning?
Very efficient, Supervisor. The new conveyor is working perfectly.
The water pressure is holding steady. Very good, the truffles look perfect.
The truffles now enter the precision rinse conveyor, where high-pressure jets of purified water ensure complete cleanliness.
The moisture levels on batch C are still fluctuating.
Let's check the calibration on sensor 4. It seems slightly off.
The temperature is stable at 3 degrees Celsius.
Confirmed. We can proceed with the transfer.
The chilled truffles are carefully placed on the stainless steel line, beginning their journey through the processing facility.
this sample has a very strong phenolic aroma.
Yes, I detect hints of licorice as well.
Air knife system ensures that every truffle is perfectly dry, utilizing high-speed filtered air to instantly remove moisture before grating.
The premium olive oil is slowly infused with the freshly sliced truffles. This slow rotation ensures maximum flavor extraction. Check the pressure on tank 3.
It's holding steady at 2 bars.
The wrap looks good on this one, very stable. Yeah. Yes, it is ready for shipment now.
Va bene così, spingi fino in fondo.
Fatto, possiamo chiudere il container.
The ramp on the left. Bring the next pallet to truck number 3.
Controlliamo i documenti per la spedizione internazionale.
Certo, è tutto pronto. Mancano solo le firme qui.
Inside this state-of-the-art facility, precision and refrigeration ensure our luxury truffle products are ready for export.
We need the phytosanitary certificates for the US order by noon.
Already processing them. The printer is running the manifests now.
Okay, bring that pallet to bay 3, make sure it's secure.
Roger that, moving now.
Stack those firmly against the back wall and send the next pallet over.
Are the seals secured on Unit 7?
Yes, officer. Confirmed and scanned.
Check the temperature again before you go and drive safely.
Roger that. Heading south now.
Is this the truffle shipment?
Yes, scan it and move it to lane 4.
Watch the straps on the left side. Got it, securing now.
Welcome to the heart of the Italian truffle supply chain.
Verification complete on this lot. All temperatures are within acceptable range.
Confirmed. Moving to the next pallet now. Careful with these, they go straight to the refrigerated case.
Got it.
Got it.
Look at the size of that one.
It must be incredibly fresh.
Thank you so much. Arrivederci.
Ciao, grazie. Prego, here is your truffle. Grazie, arrivederci.
Look at the texture on this one. This is exactly what we need for the main course tonight.
The pasta is perfect. Bring the garnish.
Yes, chef. Freshly shaved.
Fresh tagliolini with our black truffle.
Ah, perfect. It looks incredible.
The tagliolini with our finest black truffle. Enjoy.
It looks absolutely stunning.